Good morning, dear students. I am solving these questions which you have asked. Insert three rational numbers between 4 by 13 and 1 by 13. Now see if we make a number line from 0 to 1 and make 13 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and this one is 13. Suppose we are making 13 divisions, then this is 13 by 13. This particular thing is 13 by 13. This one is 12 by 13. Okay. 11 by 13. 10 by 13. 9 by 13. This is 8 by 13. 7 by 13. 6 by 13. 5 by 13. And this one is 4 by 13. And this is 0 by 13 and this one is 1 by 13. Now you have between 1 by 13 and 4 by 13, 2 by 13 and 3 by 13. But here he is asking you 3 rational numbers. You need 3 rational numbers. And we are getting only 2 rational numbers. Dear children, first of all you must know that between any 2 rational numbers we can form as many rational numbers as you want, as we can. Okay. So how to do it and what to do it? Here we are trying to have equal distance among the rational numbers. That's why we are getting only 2. There is between this also there is 1. Between this also there is 1. Between this also there is 1. This way you can have lot many of numbers. Now simple method which will be helpful to you to make rational numbers I will be discussing here. Now see, 4 by 13 and 1 by 13, if suppose you are multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2. Here you are getting 8 by 26. And if the same thing you have to do here, 1 by 13 up and down, if you multiply, you are getting 2 by 26. Now this 4 by 13 and 1 by 13 have changed as 8 by 26 and 2 by 26. Now you see 3 by 26, 4 by 26, 5 by 26, 6 by 26 and 7 by 26. Isn't it? 3 by 26, 4 by 26, 5 by 26, 6 by 26, 7 by 26 lie between 2 by 26 and 8 by 26. That means between 1 by 13 and 4 by 13. Isn't it? Now look here. Minus 7 by 10 and 11 by 10. Minus 7 by 10 and 11 by 10. It's very simple and easy. You can see here. Between minus 7 and 11. You have minus 6, minus 5, minus 4. See. Let first find between minus 7 and 11. Between minus 7 and 11. You have minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So, what you can do here, you want how many numbers? Only you want 3. But you are getting how many? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 numbers you are getting. You can take any 3 out of this, like minus 6 by 10, minus 5 by 10, minus 4 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, or if you want equal distance from them, you can choose like this. Suppose you are choosing 10. No. Don't choose like that. Minus 7 and 10. Na? So first number you have got from here minus 7 and 11. So you leave this and this minus 7 you leave from the last. Now see here. Cancel from here 1. Cancel from here 1. Cancel from here 1. Cancel from here 1. Now suppose you are taking minus 4 here and 8 here. Again cancel 2. Cancel 2. Now you take this one and this one. Again you cancel this and this, you are getting this. That means at equal distance if you want to take, you can have minus 4 by 10, okay, minus 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 5 by 10, 8 by 10. You can get 5 rational number like this. Among that you can choose any 3. Minus 1 by 10, 2 by 10 and 5 by 10 are also 3 rational numbers between minus 7 by 10 and 11 by 10. I am giving you 5 rational numbers. You can choose. Here also I have given you 5. Here you can take minus 4 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 5 by 10, comma 8 by 10. Okay. So this way you can form any number of rational numbers between these two given rational numbers. Now the next question was, find 5 rational numbers between minus 4 by 7 and mod minus 4 by 7. Children, look here, mod of minus 4 by 7. First you find out what is mod of minus 4 by 7. Mod of minus 4 by 7 means positive, that is 4 by 7. You have to omit the sign. So minus 4 by 7 and 4 by 7 you have to find. So minus 4 by 7 and 4 by 7 you have to find 5 rational numbers. Now between minus 4 and 4 you find out. Between minus 4 and 4 you have minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers you are having. So you can take any 5 out of these 7 numbers. So see here, minus 3 by 7, minus 2 by 7, minus 1 by 7, 0 by 7 you can leave. If you want you can put 0 by 7 also. 0 is then 1 by 7, 2 by 7 and 3 by 7. These numbers lie between minus 4 by 7 and mod of minus 4 by 7. So out of these you can take any 5 rational numbers. Here also you have to find rational numbers between minus 8 by 3 and mod of minus 8 by 3 is nothing but 8 by 3. Between minus 8 and 8. See, between minus 8 and 8. What do you have? Minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. Then minus 2, 1. Then 0, 1, 2, 3. See how many numbers are there? 4, 5, 6, 7. This many of numbers are there. You can take any 5 out of this. Okay. Take any 5 out of this. It can be minus 7 by 3, minus 6 by 3, minus 7 by 3, minus 6 by 3, minus 5 by 3, minus 4 by 3, minus 3 by 3, minus 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 0 by 3, then 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3 or 7 by 3. You can take any 5 out of these numbers.